Welcome to Uniarch Learning Hub. In this episode, we are going to talk about how to add device to Uniarch app, how to share and configure devices. Let's get started. IPCs and NVRs can be added to Uniarch app. We are here taking the IPC adding as the example to demonstrate the operation. Find the Add Device option on the main page. Tap it and enter. You are having 3 ways of device adding. Scan the device QR code, input the register code, or import the QR code picture. Let's now add the camera by scanning the QR code. Now you got the device online. There are some setting shortcuts if you tap the dot signs on the upper right side, like recent alarm message, share, settings and delete device. You can tap to enable or disable the alarm push info. Tap the view to enter the live view setting page. You can see the device sharing button and setting button of the upper right corner. Let's tap the sharing button first. Input the email address of EasyCloud account for the ones you want to share with the camera. Make sure the email address has been registered in the same region as yours. Set up the valid period for sharing. Select the functions of the permissions list you would like to share. And now let's tap the setting option. You can find the device info, notification button, and some device operation options. If you are choosing transfer device, then a verification code will be sent to the default email address. Input the code and the user's registered phone number or email address or username. And the device will be transferred and deleted from this account. In the basic configuration part, you can set the time, alarm sound, OSD format, PTZ rectification, and etc. Both the manual and auto settings are supported here in the time setting. Enable daylight saving time if needed. Audio configuration enables us to control the volume of audio input and output as well the alarm. You can also customize the alarm sound. Here are 2 options for customizing the alarm sound. Input text to generate an audio file, or record the alarm sound by holding the microphone icon. Tap on the top right corner to save it. Tap the video compression to change the video compression format for mainstream and substream. Uniarch app supports adding the time info to the live view screen. You can select the displaying position and format when OSD is enabled. You can use the PTZ rectification function to rectify the camera's communication. For devices that have configured linkage actions, you can set a schedule to disarm them on the Uniarch app. Once you set the schedule, then the linkage action will be disarmed during the selected period. Image settings include Smart Illumination, WDR, and Day-Night Mode switch. Get them configured as needed. Additionally, you can configure the VCA functions that are supported by your device. We will detail them in next episode. As for the storage configuration, if you have a micro SD card inserted in the camera, you can check its status and format. With the full coverage enabled, the card will stop recording when it is full. Set up a recording schedule with specified recording type and time if needed. The image quality of recordings can also be configured here. You can also format the SD card. Restarting and deleting device buttons are presented here in the below. That's all for today's learning. Hope this will be helpful to you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.